Hello everyone, welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today's guest is Morissette, and today she gonna sing cover song Secret Love Song Little Remix. Okay, let's react to this song. But before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Cheers, this is Morissette. Don't miss any Wishclusive videos. Click here to subscribe.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the tennis floor, I wish that we could be like that, but can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Wish 1075.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I tire some more. Stolen moments that will steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's obvious you're waiting for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep, but I'll never show it on my face. But we know this, we got a love that is homeless. What can you hold me in the street? What can I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with her, do you call her name like you do when
It's just
you're
amazing.
with me?
High
Does it
high
feel
key
the
to
same?
low
Would you
key.
leave if I was ready to settle down? Would you play it safe and stay? But you know this, we got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like
Where this kind of voice came from? Amazing.
I don't wanna live life this way. I don't wanna hide this away. I wonder if it ever will change. I'm living for that day, someday. When you hold me in the street, when you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that we could be like that. Can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours. Oh, why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
Voice is really coming out from deeper part of her.
What can
Uh, uh, mm, I just can say amazing. Uh, she's good at how to say singing national anthem like that. So, for example, like if Olympic held in the Philippines, and yeah, she will be the one who sing national anthem at the ceremony. Uh, Amazing. But I wanna, yeah, listen her song uh, in person someday. Yeah. Okay. Um, Today's video is it. Um, Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not miss future videos. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.